This starter is View It. So this is showing you how to rotate the object. There's a couple different ways you can do this. You can grab the cube up here and click and spin it around. If you get kind of twisted around, you can click home to kind of go back to a home view. The other thing that you can do is if you're over here, if you have a mouse, you can right click on the mouse and spin it around. But if you don't have a mouse, you can press your control button, the CTRL button. And if you press the control button, you can then click on your laptop mouse and use the other finger to spin around. The other thing I discovered that was pretty cool was if you want to zoom in and out, if you have a mouse, you can use the roller button to zoom in and out. But if you do not have a mouse, you can click the control button and you take your two fingers that are separated from each other, and if you just run them up and down your laptop mouse, just separate your two fingers by about 1 inch, press the control button, and you can zoom in and out. And then once again, if you press one finger down, and use the other finger to spin around, you can view your object that way. And we're done with this one.